Hi, welcome to Amazing Abby's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare handmade noodles recipe. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Everyone, especially the kids, are very much fond of noodles. But the noodles which we buy from shops contain harmful chemicals and preservatives which is injurious to health. So now let us start preparing healthy noodles or pasta at home with wheat flour. In a bowl, add 1 cup of wheat flour, add required amount of salt and 1 spoon of sugar. Mix the wheat flour so that the salt and sugar gets spread evenly into the mixture. Add water and let us start making a dough as we do for chapati. The dough which we are going to prepare should be free of any holes or space, so press it and prepare it and add oil over the surface and cover it and put it aside for 3 hours. And after 3 hours we are going to roll the wheat dough and add wheat flour over it and press and spread it evenly. Spread the wheat dough to its maximum. If you want very thin noodles, you can spread it even more. Now fold it as you see in this video. You have to fold as if one up and the other one down and add much required amount of wheat flour so that it does not stick to its sides. Now cut it into small pieces. If you cut it into very small piece, it will be the noodles. But if you cut it into large piece, it will be a pasta. In today's video, I have cut it into large pieces and made. So I have made pasta. But you can also create noodles by cut it into very small pieces. You need a very sharp knife to cut this. And now you can cut it into pasta strips. Now add wheat flour over it and make the strips, folded strips, into long strips. Now our pasta is ready. Now our first step in making our pasta dish is over. Now let's start preparing, that is boiling our pasta. This is a much important part in preparing pasta. We will be doing everything, but in this step we will find difficult. If we do not follow the procedure, the pasta will not taste well. So first of all, we have to add 1 strip of pasta in boiling water. The pasta should float to the surface. Then only the water is in correct heat. Now you can add the remaining pastas into the water, and if you see that the pasta which we put into the bowl comes to the surface. Add salt and cook the pasta for about 4 minutes. And when the pasta has cooked, now take the pasta and put it in cold water so that the pasta does not stick to each other. Now we have boiled the pasta. The important recipe here is the tomato sauce or the pizza sauce that I have made in my previous video, so don't forget to see that video also. Now in a pan add onion, capsicum and beans and cabbage which is cut in juvenile style, that is in long strips. You have to remember, when you are preparing noodles, always keep it in high flame. And since we are doing it in Indian style, I have added garam masala. Add 1 spoon of garam masala and salt and stir the mixture so that it mixes well. Add homemade tomato sauce. The tomato sauce which we buy from shops is somewhat unhealthy, but if we create at home it's much more healthy, so maximum you try to prepare it at home. Now add pasta and now mix the pasta so that the tomato sauce and all the ingredients get mixed well. Now our pasta is ready. Now it's time to taste this yummy dish. It's a very tasty dish and you must try this at home and give it to your kids. And everyone will be asking it to cook over and over. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video.